Lego.
Car, schedule a time, and drive away to prom. For all of the kids.
Instructions and follow it. Get bag
What it
number
takes to do what I
1.
do. So why don't you shut your mouth and do your
Open. Reassemble Jasmine and find her body.
Better suited for a slaughterhouse.
Need another one of the long white blocks. Gonna put the stickers.
What do you think?
Done.
I can't see anything. Get the blood out of my field.
Bag number 1 is completed.
Where is it now?
Oh my God, Wendy, I'm handling it, okay?
Bye. See you tomorrow. Bag number 2. Done.
And the time commitment to it is 100 hours.
Done. Bye. See you tomorrow. This is bag number 3. What do I do?
What is that?
Cinderella. Third bag finished.
Oh, and
I got all 3
I thought
princesses
maybe the church has a support group or something.
assembled.
Through that, maybe you'd have some idea where Jimmy was scoring.
Devil did his best work